Welcome to Chapter 10 of this tutorial on Word 2007. This chapter is all about cool tips and tricks. It's kind of a hodgepodge of features and functionality that didn't neatly fit into any discussion. I don't know, maybe you noticed this as I built the tutorial. I try to make it flow from one topic to another as easily as possible. I try to use certain things as a foundation and then kind of build on those things as we go. So, kind of met with varying degrees of success, I'm sure. But this chapter here is kind of something I've done with another couple tutorials where I just try to throw in some cool stuff that you can do with the program. That's what this module is all about. And the first thing I want to show you here is one thing I've learned with my use of Office, and that is one thing I really like is how easy it is to get help for the documents that you're working on. So what I mean by that is that there's a host of templates that's available. As we talked about templates earlier on, you probably already stumbled upon this. But what I want to just point out here is that if you're connected to the internet, you have access to Office Online. And this used to be stored in a section called Work Essentials. And you can still get to Work Essentials, but this is kind of a shortcut or a pipeline into Work Essentials where you can create a bunch of documents from templates that are freely available, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you want to create an award certificate for a dinner. So there's the best costume award at Halloween time, a stock certificate, a Halloween costume award, a different kind of Halloween costume award, calendars, business cards, and so on. 2007 calendars can be downloaded with just a few clicks, and then you can start to manipulate those calendars. So if we're dealing with letters, of course, there are lots of form letters, academic, business, community, cover letters, apologies, announcement, credit letters, billing, sales, thank you letters, and so on are all generated. Thank you for your large order. Thank you for renewing your membership. Download and continue. First time you use this, of course, you'll see this, that you're prompted to validate your software, that it's a genuine copy of software, so of course that should not be a problem. So I'll click on continue here. And there we go. So once we're validated, you can see that we've got placeholders for a lot of information. Plus, we've got thank you for renewing your single membership with the, and then you'd probably want to replace, of course, the Baldwin City or Museum of Science there. So you can use the templates. You can browse using that method there. You can also just use your help files and try to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. If you go to your help and you're connected to Office Online, notice that it gives me that information about that template right there. You can browse. You can also go right up here and just type what you want to find. So let's say you're giving a speech. What happens? There's a speech outline template. There's an elevator speech template. Refusal of invitation to speak. Request for a paid speaker. Request for a paid speaker at a banquet. So all of these things, all these templates that people have already developed, they're already, just a quick way to say, what does a professional letter look like? There's a good starting point, and that's one thing I love about Word, about really all of Office, that you can easily put to use.